Good day, guys. We are continuing our tutorial session on the Ansys. So today we are going to be working on the model part. So we have opened this from where we saved our previous file. So now we click on the model, double click on it. So you can see from the bottom here that is ready.
Long path. Just the bizarre.
So we are going to continue from where we stopped last time. So click on the geometry. We didn't rename this previous one, so we are going to rename it now. So I'm going to rename the first one indoor glass. This one A. This one outdoor glass. Then we are going to move on to assign material to each of them. So for the indoor glass, we are going to assign the glass material. For the air, we are going to assign the air material. And for the outdoor, we are going to assign the glass material. So after assigning those, we are now going to define a path for the system to work with. So come here, click on model, you'll see our construction geometry, then click on path. So from our slide, we check it. The first one is 0, 0. Next one is 0.6. The next one is 1 M. So here we have 0.0018. That's the R for the X coordinate. Huh? No, 0.018. That's just then we also have 0.6, and the last one will be 1 M. So that's it. So we'll go back. So we'll click on solve for the part. Then
for you, society, the balance with your life.
we'll come back here, click on the construction geometry again, then click on solid. So we are going to rename our solid to the indoor glass. Indoor glass, and we are going to set the value. First one is 0, the next one is 0.003,
That is touch powerful like we.
Next one
See
is
the
zero.
point am.
This one is
You go, that's how you go
1.2.
call and shout.
And the last one is
You
two.
still dey carry that
M.
bag. Na you abi?
So we have created our solid solid. So this is it about our solid axis. So that's that. So next up, we are going to go to our mesh creation. That's what we are going to go on to next. Okay, so the next step, we are going to create a mesh for our system. So how we are going to do that? We are going to right click on mesh, then on insert, then sizing. Our first sizing, we are going to click here to select the edges. So hold Control, select, select, zoom out. Use your mouse middle button to hold on to it. Then select, 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 and select. That's the total of 8 edges. Then we are going to give it I'm going to change the number of divisions. Now number of divisions is 5. Remember, we're going to change this one to number of divisions, then number of division is 45. So that's basically our first first edge that we are selecting. And just click on this. Then come back again, select another sizing. Then since our select edge is still on, can leave that. Hold Control. The ones we have not selected before, we are going to select them on this side also. Hold Control, select, 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 and select. Hold Control, select, 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 and select. Click on Apply. Come here, change it to number of divisions. And for this division, we are going to be selecting value 20 for it. So I selected that. So on to the next one. The next one we'll be selecting our edges here. These edges, just these tiny edges here. That's what we are going to be selecting for this. So I'm going to create another sizing. Still click on this edge if yours has removed from it, then we are going to start clicking on the edges. Hold your control, be very careful. Sure that you are clicking on the right thing. I've done the first one. Careful. Hold your control before you select. 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 Hold our control down again. Select. Select. Then for the final ones, hold down our control there. Select. Select. Click on apply. Changes the number of division, and for this we are selecting the value of 5. And for the final one, final main size that we're going to be doing is for this here. So hold control, select, hold control, select, then hold control and select. Click on let's say one left. Right. Okay. Click on control, select it. Click on apply. Change this to number of divisions. Then for this, we are having 20, and that's all for our mesh sizing for the listing. Then we are going to right click on the mesh, and we are going to click generate mesh. So, and that's basically it. You can see our mesh from here. So you can see our mesh. That's basically the mesh part of the solution. So we are going to move on now to set our the boundary conditions and the physics calculations on the from the question that we are given. So we are going to right click on our steady state here. and we are going to click on, go to insert, and go to convection. On the convention, we are going to click on the select face tool, and then we are going to pick on the face of the indoor glass, and we are going to click on apply here. Then I'm going to set the film coefficient to 10 watts per m square c, and we are going to set the temperature to 24 degrees. So that's the first value that we are inserting into the model. And we are going to rename that convention as the uh, convention indoor indoor glass. Indoor glass. So we have set our condition on the indoor glass here. So go back here again, right click on it, on insert convection again, go back to the shape, original shape, click on our select face tool again. This time we are selecting the face of the outdoor glass. Click on apply. Then the condition for this one is 25, and the temperature is -5. So that's basically it. So we are going to rename it also. Click on F2 to rename. So outdoor glass, outdoor glass. So we have basically set the convention for the indoor glass and the convention for the outdoor glass. So that's where we are going to be stopping the tutorial for today. Thank you.